Now, in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we look at how music is making a big impact on the lives of youth in St. Catherine. Nakinsky Robinson reports.
There's a saying, if music be the food of life, play on. And in the case of these St. Catherine youth, it has opened their eyes to a whole new world. From the clarinet to the drums, the trumpet, the saxophone, in fact, any instrument one can think of, they were truly immersed in learning the art of music over the summer holidays. The Band Camp is an initiative of Food for the Poor which started roughly 20 years ago.
We don't only teach them music, we teach them social behavior. We have different people coming to talk to them. We give them lunch, we give them equipment when they've done it a year. Whatever they have learned to play, they get it after as a present.
Making the experience worthwhile. Jeffrey Brown is the musical director. He's been with the program from inception.
When they finish learning the music here, we have a Saturday program where we continue the same music program. And from there, we have students who leave from that and go to Endamani College, or they do other music programs. And then from there now we have students in the hotels playing that was a part of the band camp program. And they have students in the army, in the police band, you know. So yes, this program is very good.
Those who've benefited from the program also return to teach and mentor. Stakeholders in the community say the band camp has left a positive imprint on the lives of the youth who've participated.
One of the things that you will understand is that the community is inspiration. We deal with at-risk youth, and when we have an opportunity to give them something to do, an alternative to being on the corner, alternative to participate in all different kind of other activities, something that keeps them focused and have them being laser focused on a particular thing, it helps tremendously. And I'm telling you, you'll hear parents talk about it, you hear different persons who have experienced the Food for the Poor band camp. It has been a life changer for a lot of young people in the different communities.
60 students participated in the camp this year, and they all agree it has been rewarding. For A Ray of Hope, I'm Nakinsky Robinson.